If you really want to improve your understanding and retention of information in nursing school, try carving out a small amount of time to watch a few videos and or review a few flashcards before going to class. Chances are you're going to be assigned 5 or more chapters to read before each class. And let's face it, there are not enough hours in the day to make that happen on a sustainable basis. So a lot of students come into the class cold, meaning they haven't done the pre-reading and aren't familiar with the material that will be presented in the class. But if you take less than 30 minutes to watch 5 videos and or review 5 flashcards before each class, then you'll go into class and hear that information for a second time, which will help you understand the material at a much deeper level and give you the opportunity to ask clarifying questions, which is much harder if you're hearing the information for the first time. So take a look at your syllabus and see what topics will be covered in your upcoming class, and then review our videos and or our flashcards on those topics before coming to class. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.